Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change theme in Unstoppable Wallet application. So let's dive into the video right away. One of the ways to personalize your Unstoppable Wallet experience is to change the theme in it. So in order to change your theme, first of all, open the Unstoppable Wallet application and make sure to type in your passcode to log into your account. After signed into the account, from the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, this will open up the settings menu. From the settings tab, tap on the appearance icon and then under theme, select between light, dark, or system. If you choose the dark option, you will immediately notice that your theme for your Unstoppable Wallet app has now turned dark. So you can also choose from the light option, and as you can see that your display has now been changed into something light and bright. So that is how you can easily change your theme on Unstoppable Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.